The deepest part's right there. All right, I'm going for it. Oh my God, bro. Let's go. What is good? It's your boy Lost, AK Moto, bro. Ooh, we vibing in this one. Oh boy. I don't know if homie flicked me off right there or if he was giving me props. But yeah, we are at the freaking abandoned neighborhood. There's so many hidden spots over here, and as you know, with that Supermoto, I can't really get there. So I was like, bro, we bringing out the freaking pit bike. We got the Subi down there, and bro, we're just gonna explore. There is so many hidden trails back here. It is ridiculous. Hopefully, no rednecks freaking come and bop us. But I feel like we'll be good, bro. We found our first trail. Let's go. Are you kidding me? This is so sick. Got some dope berms. Well, I guess you can choose which way you want to go. Did I turn my gas on? Alright. Oh, look where we just ended up. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Oh boy. Bumpy section. Bro, this is what the pit bike is freaking made for. Holy crap. This is literally my first time, I think, taking it out off-roading, bro. I always be going back in the fours, but nothing like this. Like, look at this, bro. This is literally a dream for a pit bike. Oh, I was still in gear. This is literally a dream for a pit bike rider. Flipping epic, bro. Damn, I guess someone passed away here. Damn, April 6th, 2019. That's sad. RIP. RIP to them. I'm gonna hit this trail a couple more times. But this thing looks fun. Just jump on in. Third gear. Oh yes. I'm way more sketchy off-roading, bro. I don't really off-road that much, but when I do, we go for it. Yoo-hoo! Got a little crossover. Success. Bro, that was sketchy as fuck. I don't know if y'all just saw that, bro, but a car just came by slow as hell right past me. Just jibble jabbling, bro, but we got a sick trail right here. Let's get it. Bro, look at this. Woo! Getting some air on that one. A little too much water over there. Let's go left. Oh, what the heck? What's up? Good. Oh, you see these paw prints, bro? Look at these prints. What do you think that is? I don't know either, but I think it's a coyote or a fox. Bye-bye. Let's go, bro. Holy crap. You guys know where any other trails are?
Everywhere.
Just everywhere?
Everywhere.
I've been on like
Hillsborough, Raintree, and Yorkshire is all a big J. It all wraps around. So power lines.
I've been to the power lines.
Right, well, power lines, if you branch off of any of them, you go to any of these streets. Any of them got trails on them.
Word. Alright, hell yeah. Thank you, bro. That was crazy, bro. Found a stick. We got a souvenir, gang. Oh yeah, boy. Free on the main road, you dig? Actually, that car's looking a little sketchy. I'm gonna go this way. Bro, I feel like I'm in a different part. I've never been on this side. I didn't even know this side was freaking a thing. See all these boxes, bro? Oh, these are bees, bro. These are honey boxes, I think. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah. Oh boy, they're all over here. We're on a freaking honeybee hive place, whatever you want to call it. I actually need some honey, bro. Oh, there's a trail there too. Oh, there's a muddy section. Oh, another muddy section. We're in the freaking rainforest now, bro. Woo! Oh boy. I don't know if the pit bike can handle all this water, bro. What do y'all think? You think I can go through this with the pit bike? I know this one's deep, bro. Screw the fighters! Woo! Let's go! I feel so freaking big on this pit bike, bro. But I'm gripping through this little whoop section. Oh, water. Oh crap. Screw it. We got it. A little light work for the pit bike. A little light work. Ooh, a lot of birdies. Yeah, your boy Motor Bro coming through. Oh boy. Should we just go for it, YALL? Okay, we're almost, the deepest part's right there. All right, I'm going for it. Oh my God, bro. Bro. I swear the whole pit bike went under on that one. Holy crap. Bro, that one was deep. Bro, I don't know if I want to go through this one again. That was bad, bro. I just gotta go for it. Get the speed through it. Get the speed. Oh boy. Woo! Trail riding on the pit bike, boy. This is what this is made for, bro. Oh boy. look too deep. Oh, it doesn't look too deep, but it's getting deeper. All right, let's go for it. Bro, it just keeps going. This trail is way too flat. All right, we're gonna have to. Oh, yeah. We're gonna have to go a different way. All right. Woo! This boy is a little deep. All right, let's get out. Woo! Let's go. The Subi's still here, looking like a sexy mama. Holy moly, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was flipping epic on the pit bike coming back here. I didn't know there was that many trails, and there's even more that I haven't even gone through. We just went through like one half. But if you enjoy these pit bike trail riding videos, smash that like button, leave a comment. We got new merch, so it'll be in the description below. I freaking love y'all. Stay motivated, stay positive, have a flip good one. Peace.